How to connect your Moniepoint POS to your device hotspot. So once you turn on your Moniepoint POS, you go to settings. Make sure you've on your device hotspot. So you go to your Moniepoint settings, click on settings here. You go to network settings, then you go to Wi-Fi. It has been turned on, so let's scan for available network. So as you can see here, there's only one network available. So let's scan for more. So this is Samsung S10. So let's click on it. Now it's already connected because it's an existing connection. So I don't need to enter my password again. But let's assume it's just a new network. So once you set the password on your own phone, you click on this one, the device wants to connect with it. Click on it, then put the password. Then you connect. Now the device is fully connected. Then you go to the main menu and you on your Moniepoint app. As you can see, the terminal is loading. So it's the same for all Moniepoint POS. So and if you want to go to that route, I just hold this, then it will take you to the Wi-Fi. So that's how to connect your Moniepoint POS to your device Wi-Fi.